First of all, welcome to view my video. We are Motocross Factory. These bikes are we produce for our distributors and ready to test and package. This is KTM model with 300cc 2-stroke engine. This model is we produce for FX Moto. Front with double adjustment shock absorbers. CNC aluminum wheel hub. CNC rear sprocket. Aluminum auto-bound side stand. Aluminum handguard can guarantee your hand when fall. 270-degree adjust CNC lever will not exceed broken when fall. New style CNC steering steam design. Diameter 48 mm. Strengthened front shock absorbers. Max can load 110 kg. Full adjustable rear shock absorber. Stainless steel 2-stroke exhaust muffler designed for professional driver. CNC link rescue belt. CNC front footrest. We know motocross, we are professional producer. Trust us, we can make the best quality motocross. Let us start our business relationship.